Okay, if you have any phone calls issue with your JBL Tune 450 or 460, so I can simply recommend you to pair them one more time with your device. So open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and simply click on the settings icon. And first, just be sure that the phone calls are enabled. And if this doesn't help you, just click to disconnect and forget your device. Then click to forget. Now you will have to locate the power button on your JBL Tune 450 or 60. Then click and hold on this power button and wait until indicator turns off. Now you can just subscribe to my channel, so it will help me to grow my channel. And now when they are turned off, you have to click and hold this button one more time and enter for the pairing mode. So wait until the Bluetooth indicator starts blinking. Now you can release this button, and on your phone you have to go into the Bluetooth settings and turn them off and turn them on. Then click to pair new device. And now wait until your JBL Tune 450/60 appears on the list and then accept the pairing. Right now tell me if it works in your case, and please one more time subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.